Next thing we need to put in here is our vanity for the sink. So I'll go to component, and I'm just going to cancel that save right now. Escape here. Okay, go to component, load family, and I need to select the vanity. And the vanities are in something called casework right here. And you're going to see a few things: base cabinets, countertops, shelving, tall cabinets, wall cabinets. We want base cabinets. And in here are base cabinets for kitchens. When it says base first, that's for kitchen. Vanity is for bathrooms. And what you can do is you can just highlight the first one. And if you want to select another one, just one, you can select push control, or you can hold down the shift key and push the shift key and then say open. That will select all of them. So this toilet still wants to be here. So I'll go back to component. All right, now I'm going to put in the vanity. So this is alphabetical. Vanity double door. I don't have that much space. This vanity is going to go right here. So let's see. This isn't going to be a double sink one. You can put in whatever size one you need. I'm going to put in one with a door and a drawer. There's also vanity cabinets with single doors here. And I think the minimum size you're probably going to want, to be honest with you, for the sink is to have at least an 18-inch one here. Now, again, the cabinet is attached at the back of the cursor. So I'm just going to use the rotate tool to bring it into line. And just to practice with it, I put it off in space in the incorrect location. But I'm going to use modify and align, and I'm going to click on that wall and that face, and then again the outside edge of the wall and that face, and now the cabinet should be in place. And again, I can lock these in place if I so desire. I don't really necessarily need to do that right now. So the next thing I want to do is I want to take a look at this and see what that cabinet looks like. So I'm going to go to my 3D view here. I'm going to click that little arrow, click camera. I'm going to put the camera at the bottom. I'm just pressing and holding, and I'll release and click one more time. And this gives me the view of that. You always have to kind of move these things around. And it's now I can see my cabinet view in here. I'll go back to floor while I'm thinking about it. Okay.